Today, we're going to discuss about top 10 best photo editing apps. Get ready to explore as we count down the very best. Grab your popcorn and let's jump right into today's thrilling list. Adobe Lightroom Mobile makes the cut for top photo editing apps because it offers a powerful feature set and a user-friendly interface. Photographers can access pro-level editing tools on their Android devices, with precise control over exposure, color, and detail. Selective adjustments let you edit specific areas of a photo, while tools like healing brushes and noise reduction remove imperfections. It doesn't stop there. Lightroom Mobile boasts a library of presets for quick edits and a cloud-based workflow that keeps your photos in sync across devices. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, Lightroom Mobile provides the depth you need to take your mobile photography to the next level. Snapseed secures its place among the top photo editing apps for Android due to its intuitive interface and comprehensive editing capabilities. Even beginners can navigate its user-friendly layout, applying a range of adjustments with just a tap or swipe. Selective editing tools allow for precise modifications to specific areas of a photo, while features like healing brushes and HDR sliders enhance image quality. Snapseed boasts a vast library of filters and effects, enabling users to create unique artistic looks. Its non-destructive editing ensures the original photo remains untouched, and a built-in history panel allows for easy revisiting of past edits. With its powerful tools and user-friendly design, Snapseed empowers Android users to transform their photos into stunning masterpieces. VSCO carves its niche among the top photo editing apps for Android by catering to users who favor an aesthetic-driven approach. While it might lack the in-depth editing tools of some competitors, it excels in creating specific visual styles. Its collection of high-quality presets, inspired by classic film stocks and popular photography trends, allows users to achieve a cohesive look with a single tap. Basic editing tools provide further refinement, and the ability to save custom edits as personal presets encourages the development of a signature style. VSCO fosters a sense of community through its curated feed showcasing user-generated content, offering inspiration and a platform for sharing photos that embody the VSCO aesthetic. Whether you're aiming for a vintage vibe or a modern, minimalist look, VSCO empowers Android users to express their creativity and cultivate a unique visual identity for their photos. Adobe Photoshop Express earns its spot in the top photo editing apps for Android by offering a balance of accessibility and power. Users can leverage a well-designed interface for quick edits, applying adjustments to exposure, color, and sharpness with ease. Tools like noise reduction and blemish removal enhance photo quality, while a collection of creative filters lets you explore different artistic styles. Photoshop Express goes beyond basic edits, offering features like selective adjustments and collage creation for more complex projects. The app integrates with Adobe's cloud storage, allowing you to seamlessly access and edit photos across devices. Whether you're a casual user or someone looking for more creative control, Photoshop Express empowers you to transform your photos into polished images on your Android device. Airbrush carves a unique space in the top photo editing apps for Android by specializing in portrait enhancement. It caters to users who want to achieve a polished, flawless look in their selfies and portraits. Airbrush offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive tools for blemish removal, teeth whitening, eye brightening, and facial slimming. Features like skin smoothing and soft focus create a natural yet perfected appearance. Selective editing allows for targeted adjustments, while a range of makeup filters lets users explore different beauty styles. Airbrush goes beyond basic touch-ups, offering tools for adding radiance and definition to facial features. With its focus on effortless beautification, Airbrush empowers Android users to showcase their best selves in photos. Pixart secures its place among the top photo editing apps for Android with its versatility and blend of editing and creative tools. It caters to both casual and experienced users, offering a user-friendly interface with a wide range of features. Basic adjustments like exposure and color correction are complemented by tools for cropping, resizing, and adding text overlays. Pixart shines in its creative capabilities, boasting a collection of stickers, clip art, and collage templates for personalized photo manipulation. The app allows users to draw directly on photos and experiment with artistic effects. With its social media integration and built-in challenges, Pixart fosters a creative community where users can share and discover editing trends. Whether you're looking for quick edits or an outlet for artistic expression, Pixart empowers Android users to transform photos and create share-worthy visuals. Pixler secures its spot among the top photo editing apps for Android by offering a balance of accessibility and functionality. Even beginners can navigate its intuitive interface, applying quick edits with a tap or swipe. Basic adjustments like exposure, color, and crop are readily available, while essential tools for blemish removal and red eye correction enhance photo quality. Pixler boasts a collection of auto adjustments and creative filters that let users explore different looks with ease. Users can experiment with overlays and textures to add depth and style to their photos. The app integrates with social media platforms, allowing for seamless sharing of your edits. Whether you're a casual user or someone who wants to explore creative edits, Pixler empowers Android users to enhance their photos and craft visually interesting images. PhotoLeap secures its place among the top photo editing apps for Android by offering powerful tools for creative image manipulation. It caters to users who want to go beyond basic edits and unleash their artistic potential. PhotoLeap boasts a user-friendly interface with layer-based editing, allowing for precise control over complex compositions. Users can combine multiple photos, add text and graphic elements, and leverage blending modes to create surreal or artistic effects. Selective editing tools enable targeted adjustments, while masking capabilities isolate specific areas for manipulation. PhotoLeap empowers users to create photo collages, double exposures, and glitch art, pushing the boundaries of mobile photo editing. With its advanced features and focus on creative exploration, PhotoLeap empowers Android users to transform photos into unique works of art. A Color Story charms its way into the top 10 photo editing apps for Android with its focus on creating bright and trendy edits. Users can achieve eye-catching results with a vast collection of on-trend filters and customizable effects. Selective adjustments allow for refined edits on specific areas, while powerful tools like curves and HSL tuning provide further creative control. A Color Story goes beyond just filters, offering basic editing functions for exposure, clarity, and sharpening. The app integrates social media planning with a grid preview feature, letting you curate a visually cohesive Instagram feed. Whether you're a social media enthusiast or simply want to add a touch of vibrancy to your photos, A Color Story empowers Android users to create edits that pop. Typorama carves a niche in the top photo editing apps for Android by specializing in text overlays and typography. It caters to users who want to add impactful messaging or creative flair to their photos. Typorama offers a user-friendly interface with a vast library of fonts, text layouts, and graphic elements. Users can customize text styles, colors, and gradients to match their aesthetic preferences. The app allows for precise positioning and layering of text elements, enabling users to create dynamic compositions. Beyond static text, Typorama boasts features for animating text and adding unique effects. With its focus on transforming photos into typographic art, Typorama empowers Android users to craft visually striking and message-driven content. Thank you for watching our video on the top 10 best photo editing apps. We hope you found valuable insights today. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides on finding the perfect top 10 videos.